Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to join Shopify affiliate program. In order to do this, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Shopify affiliate program and hit enter. After that, you will see some search results. Under this, you will have to navigate to www.shopify.com/affiliate. So click on Shopify affiliate marketing program link and you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to click on this apply now button that will be on this page. Click on apply now and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, click on the sign up button. When you click on sign up, you will see a page that will look something like this. Here what you'll have to do is click on this accept button at the bottom and you will see sign up and start earning page. On this page, you can sign up using Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can also sign in with impact.com if you already have an account. So click on sign up with email. Now you'll be on this page where you'll have to enter your first name, last name, username, email address, create a strong password, enter your mobile number, choose your country, scroll down and tick the box that says I have read and accept the affiliate program terms. After you select this, now you'll have to scroll down and click on Get Started. After you click on Get Started, you will receive an email verification code on your Gmail. So open your Gmail, copy that code and paste it in this section and click on Verify. When you click on Verify, you will see this page. Here you'll have to tell Shopify what is your primary business model. So I'm going to select Creator. There are a bunch of options to choose from. You can select any one of these and click on Continue. Now select which method do you use to promote. Choose all that apply. So you can add website, add social, add mobile app, podcast, email, or you can also add offline. So you can click on add social and choose a social media platform through which you'll be promoting your Shopify affiliate links. So I will choose Instagram and click on continue. When I click on continue, I will be promoted to this page where I'll have to log in to my Instagram. And when I click on login, I will have successfully added my Instagram account here. Now I will click on continue. Now tell Shopify who you are. So I'm going to choose individual, enter an account display name, country, region, mailing address, city, code, time zone and choose your currency. And click on the submit button at the bottom and click on OK. Now you will be promoted to this page that says impact.com. Here you will have to enter your username and password and click on sign in. And after following these steps, you will be successfully logged into your Shopify affiliate account. Now on the dashboard, you can see all the buttons. You can now proceed to use the Shopify affiliate program with your user credentials. So that's how you can join Shopify affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.